Hi everybody. I don't normally start the video here at all, ever, but today is a little different because of the weather. Let me see if I can pull it up. So the current weather is a -8, but it feels like -17. And the wind is vicious. So even though I wanted to run outside, you wouldn't have been able to hear me and it would have been miserable. Hey everyone, welcome here back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Liv or Nicole. I go by either. At the beginning of the year, I started a journey to run a mile every day of the year. So no matter what the weather, we strap on our shoes and hit usually the pavement. Lately, today's the treadmill because of the weather. So I probably won't do much talking. It'll probably be a very short video. I'll talk to you probably at the end, just because I don't really talk during these ones. Okay, bye. I'm 0.56 into it, so I'm over halfway. Just keep going. Almost done. Alright, ignore the mess of everything behind me. And that was my run. I started at my normal pace of 3, and then I bumped it up until I was at 4:20. And that was like a sprint for me. And I was sprinting for probably, I don't know, maybe a minute or more. At which point I brought it back down to 3 right at the end when I turned the camera back on and you saw. Which is also why I'm very out of breath. 3 didn't put me this out of breath. But yeah, it felt okay. Everything was fine. How was your Valentine's Day? Hope it was good. Hope you had a good day. And like I said, this is going to be a short one, so I have nothing else to add. I have to go catch my breath. So thank you everyone for coming on this run with me. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have friends who might enjoy runs like this, please be sure to share it with them. Leave a comment, because I love, leave it, do it. Leave a comment if you want to, and I will read them and get back to you or respond appropriately. And remember, you are capable of amazing things. Stay strong, run happy. Bye guys.